times and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built.
Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here and we can disappear and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
So hey guys, good morning. Welcome and stuff. So today is Thursday and it's about 6:05. And why I am up so early is because we're going on the road. We're going to Kingston, yes. So we are currently at the location. Can't wait to give you guys a tour of this place. Yeah, so we are still in Jamaica, guys. I saw someone comment and say staycation, you know that draw right there. Someone say staycation or vacation. I don't know, sir. Staycation when you're still in Jamaica, vacation when you leave. So it is a staycation happening, and that's what's up. So like up the video, subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment down below in the comment section, and tell a friend to tell a friend. So Odin I make tea right now, so let's feature Odin. Odin say him can't go on the road without tea. Daddy. Oh, the mask. Ooh, see two masks here, two masks. One clinical one and one. So him a drinking tea. Still, Daddy, you look brown though. No, if I brown like furry that.
I'm black.
No, but you look brown and light in your son.
Yes, you like me.
Yeah. Hey, type you relax down. Yeah, I get all kind of. Eh? Ginger? Lucky cupboard.
You go to you. You're in trouble. Set this up more fat tape.
Oh, I just sugar in there.
What did you do?
You drink something, Daddy? I'm going to try some of the ginger tea. Let me try. So they made some ginger tea, so I'm going to try some of that. Lad is sweet though.
I want more water on it.
It's nice too. It's nice though. Very sweet. So guys, as I said, I can't wait to give you guys the tour. So yes, the vlog will start off like a staycation, you know, and all of that. Well, last night we were out at the pool. We should start record from then, you know. Last night, I was just sitting by. Some of us were just sitting by. Some persons were in the pool. But I guess because we just got here, because we got here late and we were just chilling, you know, just relaxed and not too stressed out with some more things that are going to come after. Babe, I'm gone run at the pantry. So as I said, we are going to town. So today vlog now go to let's see, might be here and there with some more clips from the place, being at the place or in Kingston. I mean, I really want to make it too much about Kingston because I have better quality when I'm here at the place, because when I go town, I have to go like, you know, skeptical about my record. So yeah, that's what's up. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Oh, the first time I come here, brought the people their rules. They reading the pool rules. What's the rule that I broke? Which rule? Which one? What, no jumping or diving?
No pushing.
Oh, because last night my brother is here. I pushed him off in the pool. So that's the pool rules. Yep. Where you go? I'm gonna leave outside for the tour. After the tour drop, then we can just video all over. What you look for?
How deep that be? 7?
66654. So 4, 5, 6, yeah. You're not taller than 6, Bridget.
6 are right or something.
Oh, yeah, you're taller than 6?
Of course, 6 above or something.
Yeah, 6, sir.
6 is above 2.
The head alone at 2. So we are Kingston out. To make the car there. Well, you know, one side, you think?
Protect yourself while protecting others.
That's the car I want. Eh?
Yeah, what is bad?
Yeah, they want to do it. They might do a version. They're going to keep my... So we're in Kingston now, people, and this is what's up. Airbrush, but just keeping you guys up to date, let you guys know what's going on right now. So yeah. So guys, we are downtown and who just sit outside? Like, we're hungry. Babe, are you begging today?
Do what?
Are you begging today? You're out on,
Big food.
you're out on the roadside like you're crazy. Then come on.
Busy, I've reached the hotel back up.
Yeah, we have to go to overclock, Daddy.
And it's after 9, is that?
I'm need to stay over here, so. I'm going to take my airbrush. The one I have the mask and a bag, you know. A lot of trucks passing, a lot of vehicles. We're just outside of wait. Doing some business and we are just waiting patient. Alright? So yeah. So I came to Burger King because I really wanted to use the bathroom. So just a quick OOTD. I have on this nice like a romper. I'm gonna buy this again. I don't remember. And I have on this. Used to be a blouse, but kind of grayed out. It's been a while since I have this, so yeah. And first time I'm gonna wear the shades here and the ear. So Burger King bathroom lifesaver for my bladder. Alright, so I'm gonna leave now. Baby's buying fries downstairs. Okay, so we're still in Kingston, don't get through yet, but we came over Fontana. We're gonna start me and Odin around there. Yeah, so we're just gonna go Starbucks. We're kind of killing want to kill some time for something, because we're supposed to pick up a document that is ready at 3:30 and it seems like them now go earlier than 3:30, so yep. I'm gonna walk into Starbucks and get probably a caramel frap or something. So yeah. So inside we're going to get some up there. Not sure I'll get in today, but probably like it's a break time is frappuccino time. So probably something up there. Probably coffee like something. So we're now in Fontana. I feel itch and I drink my juice. Babe, help me with them mask here. Fix it on my ears. And then drop it over my nose. Drop over my nose. So we're in a Fontana. We just itch. I try to drink the thing. Don't let it melt out too much. Babe, here. So yeah. So we just go up on top just to see, because what we wanted they don't have it here. So as I said, we're in Fontana. Where I had back up before? Eh? Where I had back up before? Okay, so I am home from Kingston. So today was like a very hectic one, but thank God we got through and now we are back home at our villa. So yes, we are staying at a villa. Family, a lot of family here. Very nice. After this video, definitely the tour. I'm pretty sure you guys out there not so happy to see the last vlog that I posted. I was okay, I am going on a vacation, and the second vlog that comes after is me doing business and not showing anything relating to vacation mode like that, staycation. So as I said before, staying still in Jamaica, just at a villa as usual. You guys know I've been doing villa recently instead of hotels these days. So I'm gonna end up the video here, and the next video definitely gonna be the tour. After this video, straight video in relation to what's going on, the things that we're doing, all that's gonna happen. And I hope you guys don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment down below in the comment section, share with a friend, and tell that friend to tell somebody else. And if you're always watching, big up on yourself. You don't know it's Dominique. I appreciate every one of you guys. So I'm gonna jump in the shower here because I'm in my towel. Baby's in the bathroom. I'm just gonna join him, and I don't know his shirts go already because yeah, we're together. So no shame in the game there. So and now this video because I gotta run to the supermarket and get some stuff for everyone to eat. So I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, bye.